friends, we'll discuss next part 46. Which of the following is not a second generation antihistamine? Option: astamizole, promethazine, cetirizine, loratadine. Here promethazine is first generation. So question is not a second generation. All other are second generation. Here promethazine is first generation antihistamine. So correct answer option B, promethazine. Next 47. The cardiac glycoside commonly given by parenteral route in emergency. Option: Obain, digitoxin, digoxin, milrinone. Correct answer Obain. Cardiac glycoside. Obain is cardiac glycoside parenteral route in emergency. Next, the angiotensin receptor antagonist used in hypertension. Options: captopril, enalapril, losartan, nifedipine. Here losartan is receptor antagonist. This is captopril is angiotensin receptor not acting on receptor. This losartan is acting on receptor. Okay, this nifedipine is calcium channel blocker. Okay, correct answer losartan. Next, insulin is usually given to diabetic patients by which route? Oral, intravenous, intraspinal, subcutaneous. Correct answer is subcutaneous. Insulin is given by subcutaneous route. Next, the drug of choice for treatment of typhoid fever: erythromycin, amoxicillin, chloramphenicol, nafcillin. Correct answer is chloramphenicol is used for typhoid fever. Next, the stabilizing agent used in making formaldehyde solution: methanol, ethanol, propranolol, ascorbic acid. Correct answer is methanol. Stabilizing agent used in making formaldehyde solution: methanol. Next, which chemical is given in conjugation with isoniazid to avoid neurotoxicity? Option: ascorbic acid, riboflavin, pyridoxine, thiamine. Everybody knows this pyridoxine is given with isoniazid. Next 53. Which therapeutic inactive compound is formed when beta-lactam is hydrolyzes the beta-lactam ring? Penicillic acid, penicillinase, penicillamine, phenethicillin. Correct answer is penicillic acid. Inactive compound is penicillic acid. Next 54. Which of the following is a polyene antifungal antibiotic? Amphotericin, tolnaftate, antecalinic acid, cephalothene. Correct answer is amphotericin is polyene antifungal antibiotic. Amphotericin. 55. Fully substitute pyrimidine nucleus is found in chloroquine, primaquine, proguanil, pyrimethamine. Here pyrimethamine is like this, and here all are substituted. Chlorine ring, amino, this aminopyridine ring. This pyrimethamine is a folic acid antagonist, anti-malarial. Next, paracetamol overdosage is treated with N-acetylcysteine, calcium disodium EDTA, D-penicillamine, dimercaprol. Correct answer N-acetylcysteine. Paracetamol overdosage is treated with. Next, inhibition of GABA transaminase enzyme is mainly done by sodium valproate, phenobarbital, phenytoin, carbamazepine. Correct answer sodium valproate. Sodium valproate in this mechanism by inhibiting GABA transaminase enzyme. This phenytoin mechanism is by block sodium channel, phenobarbital acting on GABA receptors. Carbamazepine also sodium channel blocker. So correct answer is sodium valproate, GABA transaminase enzyme inhibition. Next, the antiviral agent used in treatment of Parkinsonism: levodopa, amantadine, seleglin, carbidopa. Correct answer amantadine is antiviral agent. Amantadine. Parkinsonism also antiviral is amantadine. Next 59. Diagnostic agent used in myasthenia gravis: pralidoxime, neostigmine, physostigmine, edrophonium. Correct answer is edrophonium is the diagnostic agent. Okay, next 60. Most potent mydriatic agent with the longest duration of action: homatropine, tropicamide, atropine, cyclopentolate. Correct answer is atropine. Atropine is most potent mydriatic agent. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Also share with your pharmacist friends. Thank you.